What's up, everyone? I just want to bring you in on a car that I did this morning. I filmed this and I talked while I was filming it, and it was early and I didn't really know what I wanted to say about it, so I figured I would do another voiceover video. So as you can see here, we have a black Audi, and there's dirty wheels, there's dirty tires, the paint is all scratched, swirled, there's holograms all over the place. It's just a mess. There is the rear bumper that was repainted and they didn't color match it, so there's nothing I can do about that. But if you see the shade off, you are seeing correctly. So I'm going to completely clean, chemically decontaminate the car, clay it, and I'll hit it with the polisher. Not literally, but I'm going to polish the paint. And then I'll bring you back in. Here we are. So the wheels have been cleaned, the tires, the wheel wells. The car's been cleaned. It has been polished. You can see on the windshield, if you saw back up there, I just have microfiber towels. I was using the wipe. So those are the only things they could put on the wipers, are towels. So you can see the paint is looking a lot better. You get rid of the swirls, the scratches, the holograms. You go around and you can see the bumper now. You can see it a lot better now. They repainted it, but it looks better than it did, and the customer was very happy, and I'm very happy with the results. I just wanted to show you guys what I did. All right, bye guys.